In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute microphone in Zoom meeting. If your colleagues can't hear you or you're not sure which mic Zoom is using, this walkthrough will get you speaking clearly in just a few moments. First, when you join the meeting, watch for a prompt that says, "Join with computer audio." Click that. This connects Zoom to your computer's microphone and speakers, so your voice can actually be transmitted. If you don't see the prompt, you may already be connected, but if you skipped it earlier, that's often why people can't be heard. On some systems, you might also see a message asking for permission to use the microphone. Make sure you allow it, or Zoom won't be able to access your audio at all. Once you're in the meeting, look to the bottom left of the Zoom window for the microphone icon. If you see a red slash through the mic, that means you're muted. Click the icon once to remove the slash and unmute. As you speak, you should notice the tiny audio level indicator move, confirming Zoom is picking up your voice. If you don't see that level react, it's time to check which microphone Zoom is using. Next to the mic icon, click the small arrow. This opens a list of available microphones on your computer. Choose the one you actually want to use. If you're on a laptop, that might be the internal microphone. If you're using a USB headset or a docking station, select that specific device by name. After selecting, use the test mic or test speaker and microphone option in the same menu. Speak normally and watch the input level. If the meter moves and you hear the playback during the test, you're set. If it doesn't, try another device from the list until you find the one that responds, and make sure any input volume slider isn't turned all the way down. For a faster way to control your audio during the meeting, use the keyboard shortcut to toggle mute and unmute. On Windows, press Alt+A. On Mac, use Command plus Shift plus A. This is especially handy when you need to chime in quickly without searching for the on-screen controls. After using the shortcut, always glance at the mic icon to confirm your status. That's it. Join with computer audio. Click the mic to unmute, choose the correct device and test it, and use the shortcut to stay in control. With these steps, your voice should come through loud and clear.